Okay, we're going to add a Cengage textbook. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to Settings, Navigation at the top, and you're going to find Cengage and you're going to move it to the top part of your course somewhere. Make sure that is there, and then you're going to go to Save. That is going to add Cengage to this left sidebar here. Click on the left sidebar, and if we have a MindTap or WebAssign book, I prefer using one of these instead of just the ebook, just because this will have all kinds of integrated resources and quizzes and homework assignments versus the ebook is just the ebook. Some versions of textbooks do not have the online platform, but if you do have an online platform, then you can go and find your book here. If you don't find your book, that means that the book needs to be added to the Lincoln University instance. So if you cannot find your book here, then you're going to either email me at cetl@lincoln.edu, or you can email our Cengage representative to make sure this book is included here. It may take a bit for you to have access to it. But let me just find a book that I know exists. Okay, so here's one. So this is Philosophy Instant Access, and this has the MindTap and the ebook. I'm going to hit continue, and I'm going to set up my course now. If I already have created a course, I can link to a course that I've already created. I can copy another instructor's course if they give me a course key. I can copy an existing course, or I can create a new course from scratch. So this is what I'm normally going to do, is create a new course from scratch. I can choose if I want the activity scores to come in individually on the gradebook, or if I just want all of the textbook homework platform assignments to come in as just one grade. So this is an overall scores calculated in MindTaps are added to your Canvas gradebook. Only use this if you don't plan on making any of your own assignments or any other kinds of things in your course. So I normally pick this one because maybe the homework assignments from the textbook are just one part of the grade. So then I'm going to go here. I am going to now create this course. And yours will already automatically pop up with the name of the course. So I don't actually have a real course here, so I'm just going to put something here. Put the start dates of the course, the end date of the course. Let's just say, I'm just making up something here. And then finish. And now this actually creates a course for me. And now all I have to do is I have to select the content that I want to bring into this course. So here, select content, and say I want to bring in, chapter 1. I want to bring in this reading, and I want to bring in this assignment, this quiz, and maybe this activity. Notice if it checks the box here, these will create separate assignments in your course. And then I'm going to hit continue. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my home page or my modules, and I notice that it creates all the things that I've added here, and now I can drag those into my courses or into my different modules, or I can create, the module. So let's say chapter 1, I forget what the name of that chapter was, but let's say chapter 1. What is that? Chapter 1. And then I want these different, so here is the course link for the course, so then I can call this textbook link. And then I have this chapter that I want them to read. I have this assignment, this quiz that I want them to take, and I have these film activities here. And I'm going to go ahead and publish the modules so that they have those. If I want to put specific dates on things, I can do one of two things. I can go here and edit individually using edit assignments and then edit the dates. Or the easiest way to do it is actually through Cengage. When I go to my textbook, so I go here to my course, and I'm going to skip this for now, but you can definitely go through that tutorial and say that I have this chapter 1 assignments. I am going to go ahead and maybe I want to assign these and I want them all to have the same deadline. I'm going to click this edit button here, and then I can click, oops, didn't mean to click it all the way here. Let's see. Let me go back and see where I was. Okay, so I want to assign these chapter 1 activities and I want them to be all on the same date. I'm going to make sure that I hit the edit button here, and then I can click on these, and then I can use the batch actions here, and I can edit the dates, and I can choose now that I want my due date. Let's see, make this Friday, due at 11:59 p.m. and I can then choose the due date, because right now they didn't have a due date. Oh, actually, I'm going to click off the available date. I want it to be available the whole time. So due date here, available time. Okay, I just want it to have a due date. So here's a due date, and then here's save. Okay, and then there will actually be a syncing that happens, and it might not happen immediately, but there will be a syncing where these dates will change from the dates that I used from Cengage. So that is how you bring in the assignments and things for your MindTap course.